So, gosh, hindi ko alam kung yung sasabihin ko. Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be reacting to my old videos. Some of you guys have been asking me na pwede bang i-public ko ulit yung mga old videos ko. If you didn't know yet, I started making videos 2012 ata. But then I stopped kasi nag-abroad ako. Tapos, pagbalik ko, dun ako nagsimula ulit. Pinrivate ko na yung mga old videos ko. I was just thinking, you know what, I'm gonna start all over again. And I don't really need my old videos anymore. Hindi ko na siya ipapublic ulit kasi sobrang tagal na din naman nun. So, naisip ko mag-react na lang ako sa old videos ko. Kinakabahan ako ng bonggang-bongga. Oh! Wow! Ito yung Pinay Haul. Pinay Haul? Is that even a good title? Oh my gosh! Wait. That background and that camera quality though. I'm using the same camera by the way. Hindi ko lang alam siguro kung paano siya iset ng maayos noon. Pero back to the title, like really Pinay Haul. But this video has 15,887 views. Okay. Okay, let's watch it.
Hi guys, this is Rhaze and I will be doing a haul for you. I will show you the items.
I just can't. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, way back 2012, hindi alam ng pamilya ko na nagve-video ako ng ganyan-ganyan. So, I was in my room, and my room, yung old room ko, is very close to my brother's room, very close sa living room, very close sa laundry room, na parang naririnig nila lahat kapag nagsasalita ako ng ganito, ng maayos na salita. That's why I needed to whisper before. Kasi nga ayoko malaman nila, baka isipin nila na babaliw na yung anak natin, ipasok na natin siya sa mental because she's talking to herself.
Yeah, knowing the items that I got recently, I didn't buy all of this at once. I accumulated this for like...
Oh gosh. I feel like my English sounds really bad and my bra is freaking sticking out.
Over a month. So yeah, I will start and I will show you first the phone cases that I got. The first thing I will show you is this one.
Ang OA ng kamay. Ang OA.
Actually, my sister got this for me.
Ang OA ng kamay mo dyan, te.
It's just the Louis Vuitton phone case. This is not real, obviously.
Oh, ayun ang pag-English ko!
Are black.
Hey, it was my first video, okay?
So yeah, that is not my favorite. Nothing against his sister, but I don't really like that one. The next one I got is this. This is knockoff calf Kidston phone case, and it looks like this.
By the way, kung hindi nyo pa na-notice, I was actually full in English before. That's why I was weird. Kasi hindi ko ma-express ng maayos yung sarili ko because I was just like trying to concentrate, oh my gosh, how am I gonna talk? I need to speak in English. And I do not know why kinailangan kong mag-English, like full on English before.
And
that blazer though. Yung blazer sa okay pa yan nabili guys. Yung blazer na yan. Ang tsaka ha. Yung green pa talaga yung background. Tapos green pa yung table ko na ngayon. White na. Nandito. I painted this white. Ang OA talaga. Grabe. Ayoko na yan. Wait. This first video was uploaded May 15. Oh no! So 2013 pala ako nag-start you guys. Not 2012. This video was published March 15, 2013. So I was wrong. I started 2013. The second video I uploaded is another haul. I told you, I love hauls. Revlon, Maybelline, Elf, Everbelena, Nishido, and more. Nichido. Maraming nagsasabi, hey, you're pronouncing it wrong. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm just really used to pronouncing it wrong.
Okay, you guys.
Oh. I said you guys. And merong nag-comment sa isa sa mga videos ko na ginagaya ko daw yung isang YouTuber sa pagsasabi ng you guys. I've been saying you guys like this was March 18, 2013. So, hindi ko po siya ginagaya. I'm sorry.
Hi guys, this is Rhazel and yes, I am back with another
Whispering
haul
again,
video.
of course.
As
Oh,
I
I like my hair color there. Ano kaya yung color niyan? Wala na color tong buhok ko eh. Parang merong color yung tips. Wala na to. Ito dito. Ito na yung natural hair color ko. And my brows, I'm pretty sure this is into it kasi yun lang yung meron ako noon. Parang ang ganda tingnan, light brown. That contact lenses though, 15mm. Ito na contact lens tapos black pa. So, napaka niya tingnan.
For some reason, other malls were having a sale too. So,
Chill.
March 16.
I can't. Ang OA. Chill. Oh, I did Chubby Bunny Challenge with my siblings, you guys. I remember film namin to sa kwarto nila Marlon noon. Yeah, nakaupo lang kami malapit sa wall. That glasses though. Ang tsaka ng glasses!
Hi guys, so
I am here with a very funny video. I am actually with my brother and sister, but I was not able to do an intro while I was with them. So I'm gonna do an intro now. I don't like this glasses at all. Chubby Bunny Challenge. May sack of rice pa talaga sa likod, bongga.
Chubby Bunny!
It was awkward. Tignan niya si Marlon, ang liit-liit pa niya. Ang payat pa niya! Gumawa din ako ng accent tag with my siblings as well. So kasama ko sila Mark, Marlon, si Miss, si Merwin wala. Lagi siyang wala sa videos ko eh. Ooh, look at us! Lahat kami nakabini! Ang cute ni Mark! Nakabini talaga kami lahat. Bongga.
I'm from USA and I'm Marlon.
Nandun kami sa old room ko nito eh. Ang saya naman ng video na yun. Okay, punta na tayo sa very first vlog ko, you guys. Title ng very first vlog ko is Retokada.
Hi guys, good morning, or shall I say good noon? It's 12 noon.
Parang I sound natural there. Hindi OA yung English ko
I'm
dito.
not sure if I'm gonna review the Careline BB cream. I still have the tester. I haven't really replaced it yet. Not sure if I will have the chance to replace it.
Pati yung vlog ko English
yeah,
din pala. Hindi ko alam.
I will do that. I will just need to take my shower first. I'm just waiting for my mom to finish.
I miss my car.
Wait for the driver. I think I'm just...
Oh well, that's it for now, you guys. If you wanna see more of this, let me know down below. Ang dami kong videos na per-private actually. Yung mga videos ko na nasa Cayman ako, per-private ko siya. Or if you want me to react to my like Facebook photos maybe, if you want me to do that, let me know below. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next video. Do not forget, be good. Bye!